Hello everyone, I'm out in the woods today with a little book that was bought for me by Mrs. InfoZhed. It's the Collins Gem All You Need to Know Mushrooms book. So what I thought I'd do, I'd come out, see if I can find a few mushrooms and see if we can identify them. I've also got an app on my phone and it's called Seek, made by iNaturalist. So what I'm going to do is use this as well and see how accurate it is and how easy it is to identify mushrooms, species of plant, etc. First mushrooms of the day, or fungus, is this. Now I've never seen this before, I've got no idea what it's called. So we'll go to the app, click on where it says phone, take a picture, and then, oh my word, oh, it's observed the fern. It's not what I wanted, it was a bit too quick. Let's try again. It automatically identifies what the items are. Common guild mushrooms and allies. I found this to be very sensitive. Here we go, let's go in together. There you go, Trooping Crumblecap. The app's actually super quick. It kind of does its own thing and just picks something and gives you the name of it, so you've got to aim it directly at what the item is. I must say the app on the phone is so much quicker than trying to look things up in a book. However, the little book is far more interesting. So let me know what you think's best. Is it to use an app or to use a little book? I'd be interested to know. Let's find some more. This is actually quite a challenge. You really got to keep your eyes peeled. Let's move on to the next mushroom or fungus species. I've seen some just over here. I've had to take my coat off. I'm getting a bit hot. If it rains, I'll just get wet. I've been on the lookout as I go around. It's actually a lot harder than what you think. Having a look around for like different fungi, and mushrooms. You've got to keep your eyes peeled and at the same time try not to fall over anything. I'm hoping to find something big. I don't know what, but I'm hoping to find something big. Something really interesting. Maybe some like bracket fungus hanging on the side of a tree or something. At the moment, I've been a bit limited, but we're going to carry on. I've just come across this. I nearly missed it. I'm actually starting to work out a system now. Instead of trying to look things up all the time, what I'm going to do is just use my phone and my backlight, take a picture of said item, or said fungus, there's one just down there, and take the best picture I can and then try to identify it later. I think that's going to be a lot less hassle. So is the next fungus? I must look a bit odd because I'm going round and I'm kind of looking in places and I'm having a look around and people are seeing me and I think they think I've lost my dog or something. It's so funny. I just wanted to show you how much difference some light makes. This is a woodland F5. It gives me a nice broad light. Wasn't that expensive either. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. Just as an experiment, I'm using this DJI Action 4. What I'm going to try and do is take a picture inside a tree stump. I've learned a lot today. It's the first time I've ever tried to take photographs of fungi and plants, and I think I'm kind of getting there to where I want to be, to take a nice photo of this, that, the other. I actually didn't set out to take pictures of plants or trees. It was purely just mushrooms, because I had a little book given to me by Mrs. InfoZhed, and it's kind of inspired me to do other things now. So thank you, Mrs. InfoZhed. There would have been nothing wrong with taking a picture with the light on my phone. However, as I had the other light with me, I thought I'd use that and get a big spread of light, and that's worked out really well. Well, it's been a really interesting few hours out, and I kind of hope I've inspired you to do the same, to get out in beautiful autumn colours and go to your nearest piece of open space or woodland and just enjoy what nature has to offer you. I'm nearly back at the car park now, so thank you for coming along with me today. I've really enjoyed your company, and I'll see you next time. InfoZhed out.